Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BigQuery to Looker Studio step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account credentials if you're not already signed in. In the Google Cloud Console, locate and select your project where BigQuery is set up. From the left-hand menu, click on BigQuery to access the BigQuery interface. In the BigQuery interface, find the dataset you want to use with Looker Studio. Make sure that the dataset is properly structured and contains the data you need. Next, open a new tab and go to Looker Studio. Sign in to Looker Studio using the same Google account associated with your BigQuery project. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new report. Select Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the Connect to Data window, scroll down and choose BigQuery from the list of options. You will see a list of your BigQuery projects and datasets. Select the project that contains your dataset. Then, choose the dataset you previously located in BigQuery. After selecting the dataset, choose the specific table you wish to connect. Click the Connect button at the top right corner of the window. Looker Studio will now display your table schema. Here, you can modify field types and set up any aggregations if needed. Once satisfied with the configuration, click the Add to Report button. Your BigQuery data is now connected to Looker Studio. You can start building your visualizations and reports using the data. Remember to save your report periodically to avoid losing any changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.